How to create a blurred text scroll effect in Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, I have in here two texts. I have in here subscribe in white and subscribe in pink. So I actually duplicated this earlier. So what we can do is we can just put or select one element and then just put that over the other so it will serve as a reveal earlier. So once you have done that, you can just head over and click onto this inspector and then just hover right here to the scroll option and click onto this add. So for the first element, let's choose in here the option which is blur. And then for the other element, you can click onto this three dots option we have right here. And then just go over to the layer option in order to see the other one. So you can move it background and arrange it according to your liking. So let's move the other one forward. And then after that, select the other text. So I have selected the other text and then just click onto the scroll option right here and then click onto this add. And then for the other one, since you have chosen a blurred effect for other one, so for the other, let's choose a fade effect. So click onto this fade and then after that, it should be able to fade into that particular direction. So for this one, once you have published and previewed this side, it should be able to show up. So that's how you create a blurred text scroll effect in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.